Welcome to BanTheTax, your strategic partner in smart, legal tax optimization worldwide. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or managing a growing business, we help you reduce your tax burden, protect your assets, and increase your income. Whether you wish to get a residence permit or set up a business in Europe, in the USA, in Latin America, or in Asia, solutions for you exist in all these regions. Take a look. BanTheTax helps clients to OWW, set up a new company, or relocate your existing one in a better jurisdiction. Sometimes you don't even have to create a company, but just obtain the right trading license as a freelancer. Emigrate to a place that offers you advantageous taxation. You would be surprised to see how many countries don't take all your money, such as France, Portugal, Denmark, to name just a few. Sometimes your tax burden is very reduced, but sometimes you don't even pay taxes on your income. Open a bank account in a trustful jurisdiction. You can decide, for instance, to have a second bank account outside your country of residence, not for hiding your money, but just keep it in a safer country that allows you multi-currencies, for instance, to escape from the devaluation of the euro or the dollar. When you decide to move away and exit your current residence, you must carefully plan your new life. As an example, your residency permit will require the obtention of the right visas and stay permits. This may take some time, and probably even a few visits in the country, before obtaining your permits. Sometimes, it's also necessary that a combined application for the whole family is not possible from day one. In this case, you will have to keep your family in the home country until they are allowed to join you with their proper visas. So, good planning and good budgeting are key. Likewise, opening a bank account may require to justify all the sources of your money and proceed to the KYC rule that is governed by anti-money laundering directives. We also emphasize the importance of payment platforms when you invoice your clients. Some banks may not operate with your usual business transactions, such as through PayPal or Stripe. Once you have your money well invested, congratulations if you have done so. What about the return on investments? Jurisdictions have very distinct rules as regards the taxation of capital gains. Don't let them take all your gains. Here again, careful study of the best jurisdiction for these gains are crucial, in particular in today's trends to get incomes from other sources than from salaries. In other words, organize your route for a non-taxed life. BanTheTax helps clients to achieve this objective. How to proceed? Firstly, talk to us and share your situation and projects with us. We talk and we exchange preliminary sets of key information. It is important that we fully understand where you are and where you wish to go. All your information remains strictly confidential. After clear understanding on how we can help you, we start the appropriate studies. We analyze all what matters for your optimal, and of course realistic, solutions including the pros and cons. To this extent, we examine carefully the texts of law to explore their tax implications on you, but also any further implications. We don't want you to find yourself in trouble with the regulators. Therefore, first and unconditional rule: legal compliance and stay and act within the laws. Then, we hold a meeting, video, or call to provide you with the best outcomes that arise from our studies. Now let me conclude with this. Benefiting from the best solutions for a tax-free life is not a question of luck or even money. It is a question of strategy. The right thing in the right place. That's what we call the flag theory. You deserve and have the right to a corner of a paradise. Free yourself from the taxes. BanTheTax can help you getting to that corner of paradise. You can use the email shown here or use the contact form in our contact page. We are very excited to talk to you soon.